Alright, it's 2021, and I just wanted to thank everyone for joining the channel and following the ideas that I presented, because this is the year that you can take your health back. This is the year where you can learn how to activate a non-eating cycle that will allow you to dump your toxins, turn on your stem cells, turn on the regeneration machine that you are, that you naturally are. And that, I've found this other second idea that there's two cycles. There's an eating cycle and a non-eating cycle. These two cycles, when combined correctly, can extend your lifespan dramatically. Because if you just keep eating all the time and never turn on the cleaning, it's like closing up your house and making dinner and making garbage and never taking it out. At one point, you can't live in the house. It's very about that simple. But this is the year where a lot of things are going to happen. A lot of things are going to happen politically. A lot of things are going to happen in life. A lot of things are going to happen celestially. There's a lot going on, and increasing as time goes on. But the good thing about what you're learning is that you can basically live past it. You can live healthy without this burden of medical costs and keep going. Sort of sidestep all this silliness. I'll teach you how to think differently, how to be logical in your thinking, how to embrace the light, embrace the energy field we live in, and all the other things that help you live longer with an immortal frame of mind. Because that really is the idea. Functional immortality almost demands that you adopt a different way of thinking. It's a good way of thinking. It's the way we were taught to think. But we were never taught to figure out how to live long enough to be able to get to the point where we go beyond the 70 or 80 year barrier. This is that year where you're going to learn how to do that. And I'm going to teach you. So, Happy New Year. Happy 2021. We got a lot to talk about, but I just wanted to say first, thank you. Before we begin this year of videos and year of new books and all the other stuff that's coming, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping me get this out to other people and sharing this idea. This is the blow against the empire that we've all been waiting for. I'll see you in the next video.